Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I am here today to provide you with an overview of the Worker Protection Act 2023, amendment of the Equality Act 2010, which is expected to come into effect on 26 October 2024. This is also known as the new anti-harassment laws to protect workers against sexual harassment. The new Act seeks to amend the existing Equality Act 2010 to increase the responsibility of employers to specifically prevent sexual harassment at the workplace. The new law was introduced due to several factors, including the widespread extent of sexual harassment experienced by workers in the UK, particularly women. Now let us talk about the current law and impact of the amendments. The current Equality Act 2010 outlaws discrimination based on characteristics such as age, disability, gender reassignment, race, religion, sex, and sexual orientation. The new Act does not significantly change the protections existing under the current law. It still imposes a heightened responsibility on employers to ensure reasonable steps are taken to prevent sexual harassment of employees and create a more secure and safe workplace. The amendments shift the focus of the law from redress to prevention. Previously, employers could defend a claim by stating that they had taken all reasonable steps. From now on, employers are mandated under the law to ensure the reasonable steps have been taken even before a claim arises. So what are the reasonable steps? The Act does not specifically define them. It is understood that these steps would need to be tailored to each workplace and will be both proportionate and practical. Some examples of requirements would be having specific and effective policies in place, providing regular training and awareness on acceptable behavior, reporting mechanisms without fear of reprisal. Employers will need to review their existing policies to ensure that they will be compliant with the new laws. Hence, what does the new Act mean for you as an employee? The increased onus on employers to prevent sexual harassment should help provide safer workplaces. When you claim sexual harassment, you will also be able to claim failure by the employer to adhere to the new requirements of reasonable steps. There is also potential for increased compensation. The Employment Tribunal has the right to increase any compensation awarded by 25% if a claim of sexual harassment succeeds and it is found that the employer failed to meet the new obligations. It is important that any claims under the new amendments must be linked to a claim of sexual harassment and cannot be made on its own. Finally, let us look at the future impact. The new law represents a crucial step forward in ensuring safer and more inclusive workplace in the UK. The new law emphasizes the importance of proactive measures by employers to prevent harassment and safeguard the rights and dignity of all employees. If correctly implemented, it will significantly reduce the risk of sexual harassment at the workplace. If you need specific advice or assistance, do not hesitate to contact us at Portray Solicitors, whether you are an employer or an employee. Our team of dedicated solicitors are always ready and willing to assist you in achieving the best outcome based on your personal circumstances. At Portray Solicitors, we work with you, for you. Until then, take care and thank you for listening.